Are you suffering from a horrible congested blocked nose, forcing you to breathe out of your mouth? Or an uncomfortable dripping nose with watery nasal secretions that flow out of your nostrils or drip into your throat? Nasal congestion or sinusitis is an inflammation of the linings of the nasal cavity, constricting airflow, making it harder to breathe through your blocked nose. A runny nose or postnasal drip is a discharge of mucus from the nostrils, the result of excess nasal mucus production. Both can be associated with the common cold, flu, or seasonal allergies. But don't worry, we'll look into some natural cures. Maybe you're experiencing symptoms such as a sore throat, headaches, and body aches, followed by sneezing, coughing, and chest congestion. Or maybe you have a bacterial infection of your sinuses with pain around your face and eyes. Or maybe your weakened immune system is just making you feel tired and unwell. Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3 quick home remedies for cough, congestion and cold, including a daily ritual to top up your immune system in just 5 minutes, making a simple tea with a powerful medicinal ingredient used around the world for thousands of years, and how to do all this on a budget. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll give you a guide to the top 5 immune boosting herbs that give your health instant relief. Just imagine if you could take something to heal your immune system naturally. But before that, if you like videos about rediscovering home remedies, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out, and tick the notification bell. The free guide, Top 5 Immune Boosting Herbs That Give Your Health Instant Relief, is in the description down below. Okay, let's get into it. Here are 3 home remedies with a roundup of their key ingredients. Remedy number 1. A remedy for a sore throat and cough for daily consumption made from ginger and raw honey. Key ingredient: ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, the oily resin from the roots. This is a highly potent anti-inflammatory agent helping fight the flu and common cold. Ginger is a flowering plant that originated in Southeast Asia. Key ingredient: raw honey. Raw honey contains bee pollen, which is known to ward off infections and provide natural allergy relief. Consumption improves symptoms of allergic rhinitis, an allergic response that causes sneezing, itchiness, and a blocked or runny nose. Raw honey is a pure, unfiltered, and unpasteurized sweetener made by bees from the nectar of flowers. Unlike modern-day processed honey, raw honey does not get robbed of its incredible nutritional value and health powers. Remedy recipe number 1. 1. Slice a large thumb of ginger into a small pan of water. 2. Place in the pan, bring to boil, then on a gentle heat for 5 minutes. 3. Pour into a small cup, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. 4. Drink 3 to 4 times a day. Will you give raw honey a try? The incredible nutritional value can help with low energy, sleep problems, and even weight loss efforts. Remedy number 2. Before I show you remedy number 2, comment down below, I want to try raw honey to help with blank. Remedy number 2. A remedy for a mild sore throat and cough, for monthly consumption made from ginger, raw honey and sea salt. Key ingredient: sea salts. Sea salts are a great source of micronutrients. They contain upwards of 60 trace minerals like sodium, magnesium, calcium and potassium that are absolutely essential to good health. Sea salt is produced from the evaporation of current seawater. Remedy recipe number 2. Number 1. Cut 4 to 5 ginger roots into pieces. 2. Add to a frying pan with 2 tablespoons of sea salt. 3. Dry roast 10 to 15 minutes over a low-medium flame. 4. Remove ginger salt. 5. Store the ginger pieces in the freezer for up to 6 months. 6. Make ginger tea with raw honey as remedy recipe number 1. Many believe Himalayan sea salt is the purest salt available on the planet. Did you know that? Remedy number 3. A recipe for congestion and cough for daily consumption made from cinnamon, lemon juice, ginger and raw honey. Key ingredient: cinnamon. Cinnamon contains several health-promoting compounds such as cinnamaldehyd, cinnamic acid and cinnamate. It boasts a wide range of health benefits including antibacterial, antifungal and anti-diabetic properties. It helps control inflammation and can give pain relief. Cinnamon is made from the bark of the Cinnamomum verum tree, a powerful spice that has been used medicinally around the world for thousands of years. It has a distinctively sweet, warming taste and is still used daily in many cultures. Key ingredient: lemon. Not only are lemons a good source of vitamin C, they are an antioxidant powerhouse containing flavonoids including quercetin, luteolin, apigenin and hesperidin. They can help fight inflammation, relieve allergy symptoms and reduce the duration and severity of respiratory tract infections. Lemons began to spread to the Mediterranean around 1000 AD. They can be found in most corners of the globe. India, Mexico and China are leaders in lemon production. Remedy recipe number 3. Number 1. Slice a large thumb of ginger into a small pan of water. 2. Bring to boil, then on a gentle heat for 5 minutes. 3. Take the pan off the heat. 4. Add a cinnamon stick and steep for 5 minutes. 5. Add lemon juice. 6. Remove cinnamon stick. 7. Pour into a small cup. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Did you know practitioners of Ayurveda, the traditional medicine of India, recommend a spiced tea that you can drink several times a day? Now, I understand that if you lack the steps to naturally heal your immune system and health, you want to know as quickly and as easily as possible, right? Waiting for your health to deteriorate is not an option. Why not investigate for yourself? Ignorance is the worst disease. That's why I've put together a free 10-minute guide, top 5 immune boosting herbs that give your health instant relief to make things easier for you. With this, you'll never have to worry about your lack of health knowledge ever again, because it will guide you on the path to healing yourself naturally. So click the link in the description below to get your free download. If you want more videos on rediscovering home remedies, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps us know which kind of content you guys enjoy and we can make more of it in the future.